The people around our state waking up without power this morning thanks to those strong winds and heavy snowfall overnight.
And utility crews are working around the clock now, but restoration can certainly take time.
News 8's Natasha Lubchenko monitoring.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, really that heavy, wet snow here in New Haven, snowball making snow, if I might add. But this is causing some issues for people in terms of outages because of how heavy the snow is on power wires, on tree branches, and this wind. I mean, when the wind comes over like this, that is a problem for any dead or weak trees out there. We may see a lot of downed trees today as well. Gusts over 40 miles an hour in a lot of areas. And I just want to show you the ground here of our parking lot. As you can see, this snow really building as the morning progresses. I saw the pavement, the car tracks earlier this morning. We are not seeing that right now. It quickly filled over. So things are escalating quickly, and that includes the outages. Let's take a look. Eversource right now, Eversource outages close to 12,000. That number actually just went up from the 9,000 number you see on your screen in the past few minutes. We are very close to 12,000 outages right now. UI close to 3,000. Now the areas most affected, Lisbon still at the top here. 25% of that town without power right now. 485 customers. Burlington, Beacon Falls, Berlin now inching their way up as well in terms of the most outages that we are seeing in the state. So I know we've been speaking with Eversource this morning, and the tip that they have, of course, is if you do have no power, if you have issues, give them a call, let them know. Also, if you see any downed trees, downed wires, of course, stay away, be careful, but call 911 and let them know, because this is such an active weather day that they are dealing with situations all over the state. So the more help that they can get, the better. Again, if you do see those downed trees, down wires, give 911 a call, your local police a call, and do not go out if you don't have to. Make space for those essential workers this morning. That's it here from New Haven. I'm Natasha Lubchenko.